They said the mountain was empty. No footprints, no movement, nothing but wind. That's why no one questioned it when the first tracks appeared. Fresh, deep, too large to belong to anything human. At first, it felt like a trick of the storm. Snow shifting, shadows bending, your mind filling in the gaps. But then, you saw it. Far away, barely visible through the white, a shape. Tall, unmoving, watching. You told yourself it was nothing. A rock, a tree, a shadow. But shadows don't move against the wind. And this one did. Slowly, deliberately, each step unnaturally, too long, too quiet, as if the mountain itself was trying not to hear it. You turned away, tried to leave, but the path was gone. The snow had swallowed everything behind you, and when you looked back, it was closer, closer than it should be. No sound, no breath, just presence. You could feel it now, that heavy, suffocating feeling, like something was standing just behind you, waiting. You didn't want